Hey, how you doing? It's Julian out here in Bangkok, Thailand, and today I'm going to go through the currencies of the Thai baht, and I'm going to move these currencies over to the side, and we're going to start with the smallest currency. And before we start this video, please give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. So the first currency is the very lowest denomination, and that's the Thai stang. And so each one of these little coins is 25 stang. And it takes two of these to equal one of these. So this is basically 25 stang plus 25 stang equals to 50 stang. 25 stang plus 25 stang equals 50 stang. So if we look at this right here, so we got 100 stang and 100 stang. So each one of these are 25, 25, 25 stang, and then 50 stang, 50 stang, which equals one baht. So basically, we got 25 stang, 25 stang, 25 stang, 25 stang equals 1 baht, and we got 50 stang equal to 1 baht. So now moving over, now we have 1 baht here. So this is 2 baht right here, and 2 baht equals this coin, which is also 2 baht. So 1 baht equals to 2 baht. So these are all the same. And now let's bring over the 5 baht coin. So this one we can start to use some different combinations. So we can do, let's say, two of these and one of these. So it'd be 2 baht, 1 baht equal to a 5 baht coin. So, you know, it's kind of interesting. We can do a bunch of different combinations. I'm going to move these over now, and we can also do basically 5 baht. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baht equals to this 5 baht coin over here. So I'm going to move over all of this stuff, and let's get into the last of the currency, the coins. And so this is the 5 baht coin, which equals the same as this one 10 baht coin. So it's a very, this is the biggest coin that there is available right now. And we're going to start to move into the dollar currencies now. So this is very exciting. So I'm going to move these guys over. And so this is 20 baht right here. And this brings us over to the first bill that we will see. And this is the 20 baht bill. So 10 baht plus 10 baht equals to this 20 baht bill. And 20 baht at this moment in time is about 63 cents. So just know that. If you're, most of my viewers are from the United States. So 20 baht is equivalent to about 63 cents. So now let's move over to I'm going to move these coins out of the way now. So now let's move over to the 50 baht bill. So this is the 50 baht bill. This is the front. Oh yeah, let me show you the back of this too. It's kind of cool. The Thai money is very beautiful. So there's the 20 baht bill and the 50 baht bill. The 50 Thai baht bill is approximately $1.58. And this is the back here. So just keep that. Look how pretty I mean, they're just so beautiful, these bills. So now moving on to the next bill is the 100 baht bill. And 100 baht is approximately $3.17 at current exchange rates. The current exchange rate is $1 is approximately 31.59 baht. And if you want me to talk about some of the kind of hacks that I found in order to get the most out of your money, so you're not paying so much in fees, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a video about that. Because I've been living out in Thailand for a while now, and there's definitely some tricks and tips that I have in order for you to withdraw larger amounts of money without paying so much in fees. So here's the 100 baht. And now we're going to move over to the 500 baht. So here's the 500 baht bill. And this 500 baht bill is about $15.83. And you could definitely buy a lot of stuff here in Thailand with a 500 baht bill. I mean, this can last you, if you're smart with your money, you can probably have about maybe 10 street soup bowls. So you can have about like maybe 10 different meals, because I used to eat, there used to be this food restaurant near my condo, and I think one bowl of noodles was only like 30 baht, or you could either get a small bowl of noodles for 30 baht, a medium-sized bowl of noodles for 40 baht, or a large bowl of noodles for 50 baht. And I usually just got the one large bowl of noodles for 50 baht. So this 500 baht bill could last me about 10 days if I wanted to eat that every single day. And so the last bill that we're going to talk about, and this is the largest baht denomination, and that is the 1,000 baht bill. And this bill is approximately $31.86. $31.66. This is the front, which is this is a brand new bill. I got this from the bank just a couple days ago, and then this is the back of it. So I'm very impressed with the Thai money. It's very beautiful. I'm not saying that the American money is not beautiful either, but I mean, this is almost like a work of art, you know. And I've been able to see currencies from pretty much around the world, so it's kind of cool to see. So starting from the top to the bottom, so this is the 1,000 baht bill. This is the 500 baht bill, the 100 baht bill, the 50 baht bill, and the 20 baht bill. And then we got the 10 baht coin. We got the 5 baht coin. We got the 2 baht coin, the 1 baht coin, the 50 stang coin. Oh no, sorry, that's another 2 baht coin. We got the 50 stang coin, and then the smallest denomination, which is the 25 stang coin. And yeah, so I hope this video was educational for you. For the most part, you know, you can take any of these denominations and just you know, multiply it by 31.59. So $1 US, multiply that by 31.59, and then you'll be able to figure out the currencies. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment below what topic, or I usually do stock videos, but I also want to do you know, branch out into other topics too. It was my bad. There's some sort of work going on outside right now, so that was distracting me a little bit. So sorry if I, you know, had some pauses and messes up throughout the video. But either way, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below what stock or topic you want me to do next, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.